Hi everyone, my name is Jude. I use they, them pronouns. What about you?
My pronouns is he or him, and my name is Merrick.
And welcome to my teen channel.
I like to call her Daw.
Okay, so today we're going to be going over Harney's. Yeah, you're showing them the remote.
Remotes. You can use this button right here. If my finger's in the way right here, you can make pictures.
About Harney, they had their stop, please.
I'm getting off this.
Hold on. They had their holiday sales and everything. So
This is one of the teas.
yep. So that one, along with that one is White Christmas.
And this
Hold on.
Is
And it's in this cute tin. It's got white tea, cardamom, white chamomile, almond flavors, vanilla, cardamom flavors.
and there's this.
This is celebration tea. Can I see so I can read the label real quick? It has black tea, apricots, passion plum, apricot flavor, blue cornflowers, hazelnut, and cinnamon flavors. And that one is Gingerbread Festival. Again, I love gingerbread. And that's black tea, ginger root, cinnamon, molasses flavor, vanilla flavor, cloves. And what's that one? You're gonna show the red one? Okay, stop. This is holiday spiced black tea. Hold on, wait.
I'm showing them.
Black tea, orange peel, safflower, vanilla, cloves, almond, cinnamon, and orange flavors. It smells really good. Chocolate mint. I really like those flavors together.
What's this?
This is African Antlers. I've tried this one before and it's really good. It's light, but it has a lot of flavor.
What is this?
This is a goji berry.
Okay.
I thought you might actually like it. So the flavors it has in it are rose hips. Hold on. Rose hips, hibiscus, apple pieces, orange peel, goji berries, blueberry flavor. Please stop. Raspberry flavor, golden, and I might mispronounce some of this, golden yinsen. Can you just hand me the containers? Yeah, Harney always sends a bunch of samples. I've got chamomile, decaf Ceylon, mint verbena, Japanese sencha, and white vanilla grapefruit. That sounds good. Okay, one at a time, please. This is green hot cinnamon spice. I thought I'd try it because I like the regular hot cinnamon spice, and I like green tea, and green tea is really good for you. So, can I have one?
Kids might actually like your video. Grown-ups also might watch your video because your channel is more of a grown-up channel.
Yeah. Oh, can you keep your feet away from there because it makes it move? Okay, next up we have, and again, this came from several boxes, not all at once, like not even all at the same time. So, honey, you're hurting me. Can you move your butt a little? Thanks. Taekwon Spring Floral. It's a Chinese oolong. I really enjoy oolongs. So, Havaki Frost Tea. I can't remember really anything about that. I'll have to look it up. Chinese Silver Needle.
Or just these ones. You talk about those.
Formosa Oolong. This one has peaches, subtle sweet notes of peaches and roasted carrots covered by toasted walnuts. Ouch. Let me get off my knee for a minute. Thank you. Whew. Thanks. On a psalm. Darjeeling.
Oh, here. Can you tease?
Okay. Can you get me more teas? Our hot cinnamon spice. I forgot I had this on my list. But I love to drink it. And this makes me feel better about making pots and pots and pots of it. King of by Mudan. I'm really interested in trying this one. Please stop. Okay, that's making a lot of noise, okay? And last but not least, we have, I think it's last, we have jasmine.
This is the last in that box.
And that's the last from the box. Are these the one? No, these aren't the ones from before. This is an organic Bangkok and decaffeinated Ceylon. Yeah, so I was already planning a tea ban, and after this, I'm going to definitely do that. I'm really looking forward to the gingerbread one. I think Merrick's gonna like the goji berry one. We're gonna make that iced. And some of these other non-flavored ones. What? Can you stop? What do you want to tell them?
So, if you guys didn't know, I really like chai.
You really like chai?
Yeah, it's one of my favorite teas.
Can you stop, please? This makes a lot of noise, okay? Chai is one of your favorite teas?
Yeah.
What you pointing at? It looked like you were pointing at something. No? Okay. Anyway.
Have you done these?
Yeah, they're empty.
Okay. I guess I didn't get to give you those.
Yeah, I'm sorry. You weren't wanting to do it at that time? So, but what is it that so this is the tea haul. I think it'll last me a while. What is it that you wanted to say at the end of the video?
So, if you like this video, like and subscribe to
Stop.
Doll's channel, and if you don't like it, give it a dislike and don't subscribe to the channel.
What else do we want to say? Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
See you later.
Bye.